Hello guys, this is Dr. Sadam and welcome back to Ready English Lifestyle channel. Today I am going to talk to you about the different types of cycle carriers which can be used in Ford Ecosport. Obviously it is not only for Ford Ecosport, you can use it in any kind of car. So I will give you the complete demonstration of two different kinds of the cycle rack, and I will give you a proper demonstration of fitting as well. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for the upcoming latest videos. So this is the basic structure of the rack, which has the locking mechanism for the cycle and two main supporting arms. With these two knobs you can change the angle of the two main supporting arms according to your car shape, so that you can fix this angle and lock it. And you will get 6 hooks and straps attached to the main arms. Actually these hooks are equipped with steady rubber padding so that it won't make any scratches on your car, so don't worry about that. You can connect these hooks on your rear door. These two will go sideways, both left and right, and two will go down and two will go upwards. So after fixing up the proper angle according to your car, you can tighten the 6 straps and it won't even shake or won't make any rattling sound. And these are the locks with the rubber straps. You can tilt this lock system so that you can arrange it according to your cycle. This is my big Sovereign fat tire cycle. I am going to lock these two parts to the cycle rack. Once the cycle is placed properly, tie all the loose parts with the straps. There is one more model which you can fix on top of your car, but you need a crossbar for that. And you can carry the cycle like this. If you have any doubts on these products, you can ping me on Instagram, and if you like this video, please do follow me and please do subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you.